वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल वसीम एकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग देखेंगे ईवीएस के कुछ सीडीपी के कुछ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस जो कि कल हेल्ड होने वाले हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, बेस्ट लक फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम फॉर टुमारो स्पेशली। तो फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं सीडीपी के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, a teacher can address diversity in her class by, I repeat, a teacher can address diversity in her class by. Option number 1, accepting the valuing difference, using socio-cultural background of the children as a pedagogic resources. Option number C, accommodating different learning styles. And option number D, giving the standard instructions and setting uniform benchmark for performance. Here the लोग देखते हैं, here the right answer is option number 4. That is A, B and C. A, that is accepting and valuing difference, using socio-cultural background and children as a pedagogic resources, and C is accommodating different learning styles. Okay, as a teacher you can address the diversity in her class. Next question is question number 2. Dash are an important aspect of the process of meaningful construction of knowledge. Meaningful construction of knowledge. Important aspect. Here the option is social interactions, drill and repetitive recall. Option number C, rewards and punishment. And option number D, stimulus response associations. Here the right answer is option number 1, A, social interactions. Next question is question number 3. Research suggests that in a diverse classroom, I repeat, research suggests that in a diverse classroom, a teacher's expectations from her student dash their learning. Option is that should not be correlated with. Option number B, do not have any effect on. Option number C, have a significant impact on. Option number D, are the sole determinant of. Here the right answer is option number 1, should not be correlated. Okay, research suggests that diverse classroom should not be correlated with. Next question is question number 4. Sorry friends, your right answer is option number C, have a significant impact on. Significant impact on. Question number 4. Which of the following way is not a suitable way to help the hyperactive children learn? I repeat, which one of the following way is not a suitable way to help hyperactive children learn? Here the option is that breaking up a task into small manageable segments, offering alternative way of learning, including physical activity, their daily schedule, and option number D, reprimanding them often of being restless. Here the right answer is option number D, reprimanding them often for being restless. Next question is question number 5. Which one of the following classroom encourages rich learning? I repeat, which one of the following classroom encourages rich learning? Here the option is that option number 1, classroom with a variety of material displayed in the class beyond the reach of the children so that the material lasts longer. Option number B, a classroom with open activity corners and a variety of children's lecture in open shelves accessible any time of the day. Option number C, a classroom with neatly organized material in cupboard bought out once a week for free play. And option number D, a classroom with structured and planned learning driven by textbook content. Here the right answer is option number B. A classroom with open activities concern a variety of children's lecture and open shelves accessible anytime for the day. Next question is question number 6. Which one of the following is the best described to role of the textbook in the classroom? Just I repeat only the right answer. Here the right answer is option number 1. They are one of the resources and reference material available in classroom. Okay, the textbook are resources and reference material. Next question is question number 7. Which one of the following is the most suitable to improve children's learning? Which one of the following is the most suitable to improve the children's learning? Here the right answer is option number D. Teachers should facilitate children to interact with each other on real life situations. Facilitate in real life situations. Next question is question number 8. The discipline which has a significant role in a learning environment is of the kind which is help. I repeat, the discipline which has a significant role in a learning environment is of the kind which help. Here the right answer is option number 1. Children to regulate and monitor their own learning. Children to regulate and monitor their own learning. Next question is question number 9. Which of the following play an important role in the child's socializations? Which of the following play an important role in child socializations? Media, school, family, neighborhood. What is the right answer? Here the right answer is option number D. A, B, C, D. Everything is play a main important role. All of these: media, school, family, and neighborhood. Last question for today. Which of the following statement about students' failure in classroom are correct? Remember, students' failure in classroom are correct. Option number 1. Students belong to certain caste and communities fail since they do not have the ability. Option number B. Students fail in schools because appropriate rewards are not offered for their learning. Option number C. Students fail because the teaching is not done in a manner in which it is meaningful to them. Option number D. Students fail because the school system does not cater to individuals' child's need and interest. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option number 1. Option number is 1. C and D are most important. Students fail because the teaching is not done in a manner or meaningful. And another is the school system does not cater the individual's right. That is the main reason. So friends, this is the most important exam oriented question for tomorrow. Thank you friends. Please share my videos and please comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for tomorrow exam. Best of luck. Thank you friends. Thanks.